Hello, I'm Marta.
And I'm Sara. And today we're going to make a volcano model. First we need a volcano model. We have it done, but if you don't have it done, you can get a plastic bottle and do it with it. Use an appropriate glue. Then we need a connecting tube. Has to go from this end, and it has to, so it expels the lava from this bottle. We need also sodium bicarbonate and plaster. We need a spoon and a spatula and a brush. We need a beach bucket. We need vinegar.
We need sand and yellow and red paint.
Put the plaster in the beach bucket.
Now we put the sand.
And we add 1 liter of water. Now we mix.
Now we have to put this mixture on the volcano.
Do it quickly because if not, the plaster dries. It's better to mix plaster little by little so it doesn't dry before you put it in the model. Remember to leave the tube free or the lava won't come out. Before the plaster dries, we will put some black sand. After a few days, we paint our volcano and put some varnish on it. It will be easier to paint if you don't put the sand on top. When it is dry, we will reproduce the eruption. We fill the bottom to the half of vinegar. We put the sodium bicarbonate in the little bottle. And if you don't have a little bottle, you can use another bottle and connect them. We put some alimentary colorant in the bottle with vinegar. We connect the bottle to the volcano. When the vinegar and the alimentary colorant meet the sodium bicarbonate, some carbon dioxide is released. And the volcano is exploding. We hope you liked our video of the eruption of a volcano. See you in the next video.